Chances are, you've probably had an experience recently where you've ordered something for your home, closet, or car and have found yourself waiting weeks, maybe even months for it to be delivered. In this video, we want you to have a better understanding of why it will take much longer than usual for your new windows, doors, or siding to be installed, and hopefully feel some relief knowing you're not alone. Hi, I'm Steve McNary from Southwest Exteriors and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Over the past year and a half, we've experienced shortages like never before. Toilet paper, fresh produce, even clean water and heat during snowstorms have all seen shortages. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, businesses in every industry have had to adjust to the times continuously. We've never seen anything like this before in our lifetime. Because of this, we wanted to do a deep dive into the 3 issues that specifically stem from the pandemic to cause the shortages we are all experiencing. At the beginning of the pandemic, many stores, offices, and warehouses were forced to close for safety reasons. These closures created a ripple effect where orders for materials became backed up with limited or no labor to help catch up. After warehouses and businesses had to temporarily close or limit the number of individuals allowed in at one time, many went home and never came back. Some even lost their jobs. This has created a massive labor shortage in our industry. Fewer workers means less production. Less production means that your windows, siding, and doors cannot be made as fast as they used to be, equaling a longer lead time between when your products are ordered and when they arrive. When things first shut down, almost everyone was forced to work from home or at least stay home. Because people are spending more time at home, we have experienced a large increase in demand for windows, siding, doors, concrete coatings, and even paint. Simply put, more people are now at home to actually do the projects never thought they had time to do before. As a contractor working with these manufacturing shortages, we understand your frustrations with having to wait longer for your home improvement project to begin. While we can't speak to what all contractors are doing to help their customers, we can shed some light as to how we're adapting. Here at Southwest Exteriors, communication is one of the most important principles to us. While we've always prioritized this, we have ramped up our updates and communication with you during this time. We never want you to feel in the dark about your project and what is going on. We ask while working with us that you remain patient and trust us, and we'll trust you as well. Know that this is an industry-wide issue that many are dealing with, and it's not just our problem. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments below, and be sure to check out the link in the description to our Learning Center. It's a great place to get a lot of answers to your questions and give you the opportunity to reach out to us and communicate directly. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want to give you the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.